Hey guys, this is Carlie Grace with Twin Creeks Marina and Resort.
And I'm Emmy Stewart from Stage Presence, and we're at Hall Furniture today. We're going to go in and show you some curated pieces for the Waterside Cottages at Twin Creeks.
We're here today with Carlie from Hall Furniture, and we're going to tell you a little bit about our Waterside Cottages. So all of these designs are super impressive. Tell me a little bit about the inspiration that you guys had to do this together.
So Carlie and I started working together in 2018. I for Twin Creeks, of course, her for Hall Furniture. And we were decorating model homes together. We have a great chemistry and a great friendship now. And we have so much fun doing it. But all the model homes sold. So there was a demand for these rental cottages. And we have gone with themes for each one because it's so much fun. And we just love doing this together. Yep.
I think one of the challenges that we face a lot is when Emmy brainstorms and comes up with the name of the cottage is to really make the dream come a reality with the furniture that we have to pick and choose and design to go in those. And it takes both of us, and it takes the brain of knowing the industry and what's out there and kind of being able to pick and choose to really specialize and make it as homey as possible.
The first 6 Waterside cottages boast 4 bedrooms, 3 baths per unit. We're so excited to debut them to you, so don't hesitate to sign up for notifications. We expect to be booking for June dates, so act now, and thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you at the lake.